Good morning. Good morning to you. Hope you're doing well this morning. Hope you had a great night's rest. If you're joining me for the first time, please put in the comment section #live. If you're watching this after the live, please put in the comment section #replay. Good morning. My name is Terza Andrews. Welcome to my live. I have some very important information I want to share with you today. So if you are tired, I mean sick and tired of doing the same thing day in and day out without getting any results, you need to stay to the end of this video. And it's going to be short, but I want you to stay because I want you to get plugged in, okay? But before I get started, I wanted to give a couple of shout outs to those of you that were very supportive yesterday. Sometimes we don't realize what effect we have on people. And so I just want to let you all know it's great to have a great support system around you. Good morning, Daria. Good morning. How are you? It's a wonderful feeling to have people around you that support you and love you and let you know that. And if you have someone in your life that you love and you support, let them know today. It really did me a great service yesterday to let me know that what I'm doing is really making a difference in the lives of those that are around me. So, now that you are plugged in, good morning, good morning. I just had to say that. But listen, today is a wonderful day. It's wonderful Webinar Wednesday. And if you are tired, I mean tired and sick and tired of going to third shift, getting up, going to second shift, getting up to go to anybody's job, then you need to be at that webinar tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. And I'm going to meet you there. You know why? Because I am an example of what staying at home and working from home looks like. You get to do whatever you want to do. You get to go to the bathroom when you want to. You get to eat when you want to go eat. You get to go out of town when you want to go out of town. There's no other way to express time freedom than to be able to do whatever you want to do when you want to do it. Working from home is it. Right, Daria? Yes, yes. Hi, Ann. Good morning. Thank you for Anna. I'm going to say it right. Anna, thank you for joining me this morning. Rosemary, hello. Good morning. All right. Is that Brandy? Hey, Brandy. Thank you for chiming in this morning. Let me know where you all are chiming in from this morning. It's so great to be a part of an amazing team of support. What you're going to learn at that webinar is how to get a blueprint of how we do what we do. You see, so many of us are having success online, and you need to get away from having a job, right? You want to get away from having a job. Now, I didn't have any choice. I got fired from my job. So guess what? The opportunity came and I jumped in with both feet. I didn't have any money. I used my credit card. So whatever you can do to do for you and the things that you desire for your life, take advantage of that moment, okay? Start planning your exit, okay? Some people know you already have that eerie feeling like something is getting ready to happen. Today is your day to start moving in the way that you need to go in order to earn income from home. The reason why I say this is a great opportunity is because, listen, it's not difficult. They're giving you the blueprint to tell you step by step how to get it done. Okay? The reason why I like it so much is because I get to spend time with my family. Don't you want to spend more time with your family? I remember days sitting up on that bus praying, Lord, give me something I can do at home. Let me use my gifts and talents and all the things that you've called me to while I'm at home. I want to be at home. I was a newlywed. I want to be at home with my husband. I like my husband. If you don't like your husband, you might need to get my book, The 10 Commandments of Marriage. This book right here, you probably need to get that. But if you love your husband and you love your family, you want to spend time with your family, guess what? You need to do that. If you're tired and sick and tired of not spending time with your family and not being able to sit down to dinner and not being able to spend time with your grandchildren, not being able to Just go wherever you want to go when you want to. Today is your day to make that happen. So I appreciate you all joining me here this morning. Okay, but check out my storyline. If you need more information, you say, I can't wait to 7 p.m. tonight. You need to put in the comment section more info, and I'll get you started, okay? I thank you so much for joining me this morning. I just wanted to drop by and tell you all, if you're tired and you're sick and tired of the way things are going in your life, today is the day that you need to make a change. You need to make a difference. You need to make up in your mind what you want to do next, okay? And do it with ease, with a blueprint that's going to take you to your next dimension of your life. My name is Phaziz Andrews. It's been my pleasure to be with you this morning. I didn't want to keep you long. I just want to tell you, come to the webinar tonight. Wonderful webinar Wednesday. Don't you let it slip by. Don't you let it slip through your fingers. I know the opportunities come around, but I want you to knock this door down, okay? I appreciate you so much. Good morning, Renee. I just came on for a short time. I thank you for joining me, but you can put in hashtag replay, okay? I love you all. God bless you. Have an amazing day. And I look forward to seeing you tonight at 7 p.m. at our wonderful webinar Wednesday. Goodbye.